In this video I'm going to show you how I made these dried crushed chili flakes. I started with some fresh chilies. I had a mixture of red and green ones, but this doesn't matter too much. I sliced them all in half, lengthways. Leaving all the seeds and membrane in. The real heat in the chilies is in the white membrane bit in the chili. I took some small metal hooks and put these through the tops of each chili. Towards the end I ran out, so I used a couple of paper clips. These ended up working out great, and I can actually fit 2 chilies on each. To dry these, I got my biltong box out. I made this in another video, so go and check that out if you hadn't. It was made to make dried beef, so I figured it would work just as well with chilies. I hung up all the chilies. The box has a light bulb in it for a bit of heat and a small computer fan to draw air into the box with holes at the top to let the air out. I left these drying for 3 days. You'll notice that all the chilies are now red. I assume this is just to do with the way that they've matured and all turn red. If you know why, let me know in the comments below. I removed all the hooks from the chilies. And then trimmed off the stalks. I'm using a mini food processor, but you can use a bigger one if that's what you've got, or crush them by hand in a pestle and mortar. I loaded the dried chilies into the processor. And blended them until I was happy with the flakes. You can keep going here to make chili powder. I transferred these to a small glass container to store. For a list of items and materials used, check out my written guide. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.